Britain is braced for up to a month's rain tomorrow and Monday as the remains of hurricanes roar in from across the Atlantic. There were warnings of flooding in the north and west, with 70 miles per hour gusts. Heavy rain today forced the closure of several roads and caused localized flooding in Cumbria, where residents in Copeland were given sandbags to protect their homes. There was also flooding in Windermere, Ings, and Kirkby-in-Furness, while the Environment Agency had a flood alert in place for the rivers Kent and Bella, Sunday People reports. Pictured are the gale force winds which are set to hit the UK over the weekend. Met Office forecaster Sophie Yeoman said the coming week will be Britain's windiest since the end of last winter. She said remnants of Hurricanes Lee and Maria are increasing rain amounts until Monday from a low-pressure system. People shelter under umbrellas during a rain shower in London. Stock photo image. Reuters. Up to 80 millimeters could fall and lead to localized flooding. Monday will be windy for all parts, with the chance of gusts as high as 70 miles per hour locally and the risk of wind impacts to travel. The warnings come 30 years to the month after the so-called Great Storm, a devastating hurricane that struck Britain, which BBC weatherman Michael Fish famously predicted wouldn't happen.